안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I will make 4 different kinds of popular Korean style sandwiches that I would love to buy at cafes in Korea. First, we will prepare all the basic ingredients ahead of time before assembling the sandwiches. So, thinly slice this 적 양배추. Then, combine the red cabbage, 식초, 설탕, and 소금. Stir it well until the sugar dissolves, and every now and then stir it so that it gets evenly pickled. Boil 닭가슴살 for about 25 minutes on medium-high, and boil some 달걀 for about 15 minutes on high. To make the special sauce, combine these ingredients. We will use this mustard mayonnaise sauce to spread on most of the sandwiches. Next, take out the center of 양상추 so that it will be easier to separate each leaf. Fold 1 or 2 leaves into a square that is sized to fit on the bread like this. Thinly slice tomato and 양파. When the pickled cabbage has enough flavor, drain out the liquid so that it will not make your sandwich soggy. Depending on your taste, pick your favorite lunch meat such as ham, turkey, and chicken. Okay, all the ingredients are prepared, so let's start to make the sandwiches. For the first sandwich, I will start with a classic and common sandwich, which is ham, cheese, and egg sandwich. By now, the eggs will be hard-boiled, so slice it thinly like this. Spread the mustard mayo sauce evenly over 2 slices of 식빵, about 2 teaspoons each. Place a sheet of deli paper on the table and put 1 slice of the bread on top. Then, I will put the rest of the ingredients in this order. I recommend trying this deli paper that I got from Amazon, so I will add the product link in the description box below this video. Here, if you want, sprinkle a pinch of salt and 후추 on the tomato. Cover it with another slice of bread, and then wrap the sandwich with the deli paper tightly as if you're wrapping a gift. When you cut the sandwich in half with a bread knife, you will see this colorful and tasty looking sandwich. Next, for seafood lovers, we will make a crab salad sandwich. So shred half cup worth of 맛살 or creamy with your hands for 1 sandwich. Add the mustard mayo sauce we made earlier and the yellow mustard for extra mustard flavor to it. Mix it all together. Then, assemble the second sandwich in this order. In the same way, wrap the sandwich and cut it in half. If you ever tried basil pesto, you will know how we can upgrade the flavor to make an artisan sandwich. So, for the third one, let's make a tomato basil sandwich. Spread the basil pesto evenly over 2 slices of bread, using about 2 teaspoons for each slice. Then, the rest will be the same with the other sandwiches. Since we all love Korean food, most of you will want something spicy, right? Yes, this spicy chicken sandwich that we are going to make is popular in Korea too. Shred the cooked chicken. We will need about half cup of it for 1 sandwich. Here I want to introduce my husband's favorite Korean barbecue sauce. This sauce will magically make a delicious barbecue chicken for your sandwiches, so please try it. Anyway, mix the chicken with 2 tablespoons of 비비고 고추장 barbecue sauce. And if you have any other barbecue sauce at home, try it too. Then, let's assemble the sandwich one more time, like this. Please try this beautiful and scrumptious Korean sandwiches someday. And if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.